Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can operate split screen view on this device. You need to begin by opening one of your apps that you wish to use in this view, like Play Store. Following that, access background apps. In order to do that with Tricky's navigation, tap on this button with 3 lines. Now click on the icon of your app and select Open in Split Screen View. Then select the other one, like Chrome. As you can see, finally, I can use both at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, drag one of your apps to the side and click on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!